Buying property in India can feel overwhelming. Rules, risks, and red tape often leave buyers confused and vulnerable. That's why RERA Simplified was created, your ultimate guide to safe and smart real estate investment. This book takes the complex Real Estate Regulation Act and breaks it down into clear, easy-to-understand steps that anyone can follow. From complaint resolution to buyer rights, RERA Simplified shows you exactly how to protect yourself in the property market. You'll see how RERA empowers homebuyers, ensures transparency, and holds developers accountable. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, this guide is your safety net. Inside, you'll find state-wise comparisons, ROI insights, PropTech trends, and even global benchmarks that compare India's RERA with Dubai's and US housing laws. With stunning visuals, flowcharts, maps, and real-life stories, the book turns complexity into clarity and gives you confidence in every decision. And here's the best part. It's available now at a special launch price of just 349 rupees, all-inclusive. No hidden charges, GST included. But hurry, this is a limited-time offer. Soon the price will rise to 499 rupees, so don't wait. Empower your real estate journey today with RERA Simplified. Order your copy now and take the first step towards safe, transparent, and successful property investment. Link in description. Get yours today.